Do you want to know the single biggest roadblock stopping people from improving their voice? I'll show you. It's a belief that you need a professional studio, $1,000 microphone, perfect silence to even begin with. But that is all a lie. And today, I'm going to prove it to you with the tool you already own. You see, the truth is, consistent practice with a $5 phone beats $5,000 studio every time. Your voice is built by repetition and awareness. First is the mistake everyone makes, waiting for perfect condition. We think we need the perfect environment to start. We wait for the house to be empty. I'm a culprit for that one though, or for the right microphone to arrive. And in that waiting, weeks become months and your voice stays exactly the same. You never get to give birth to progress in perfect condition. It never happens. Progress is born in consistent effort. So think of it like getting fit. You don't need a gym membership to start. You just need to do, say, 10 push-ups today, tomorrow, and your voice is the same muscle. I've told you before that your voice is a muscle. Now, second is your pocket studio. Let's call it a three-step cycle. Your phone is not just a recorder, it's a mirror. Your mirror is your coach. It's your progress tracker. The process is simple but powerful. Record, review, adjust. This is the cycle that builds world-class voices. I'll take it again. Record, review, adjust, and you can start it in 5 minutes. So I'll walk you through it. So step one, record. Don't aim for a masterpiece. Aim for 1 minute. Read a paragraph from a book, a news article, a script for your next video. Use your phone's basic voice memo app or your camera video function. The goal is to capture your current sound without judgment. Step two, review. Now, this is the non-negotiable, often skipped step. You must listen back to your voice whether you like it or not. And I mean, really listen. Put in your headphones, plug them in, close your eyes, be your own audience. Don't just hear the words. Analyze the sound. Is it nasal? Is it monotone? Do you mumble? Are you rushing? This is where you go from feeling how you sound to knowing how exactly you sound. It's the moment of discovery. Step three, adjust. Take one single thing you heard. Maybe your sentence trailed off at the end. So for the next recording, your only job is to end every sentence with clarity and energy. Just that one thing. Record the same passage again, focusing solely on that adjustment, and then listen back. Hear the difference? That's growth. That's you building your voice, practice your articulation, record a quick voice memo, review it when you park, have 5 minutes before a meeting. That's a practice session. There's no password to get into these practice sessions as you could have. So this is the ultimate democratization of voice training. It doesn't matter if you're in Lagos, Enugu, London, UK. The tool is universal. And the method is foolproof. Your challenge does start today. So I'm going to challenge you to pick one thing to read, your favorite poem, a product description, anything. Record 1 minute of it on your phone right after this video, then do the brave thing. Listen back. That act alone puts you ahead of 95% of people who would record and not review. So if this method made sense to you, show me with a like, a subscription, and a share. Remember, a world-class voice is not found in a studio. It's built in the daily deliberate minutes that you spend. You have the studio. It's in your pocket. Now go build. My name is Gloria Kachuku, and I'll see you in the comments and, of course, in my next video. Bye for now.